Hello, my name is Paul Sheriff and welcome to my course, Working with Geolocation and HTML. I am a business IT consultant at PDS Consulting with over 32 years of experience creating enterprise applications. Getting a user's position and mapping in websites is very common today. In this course, you learn to use geolocation services and the Google Maps API to add this functionality to your website. All you need is a fundamental understanding of HTML and JavaScript to learn how to use the geolocation object built into browsers to get a user's location. To embed and put that user's location on a map takes just a few lines of code when using the Google Maps API. Some of the major topics you will learn in this course are: use a browser's built-in geolocation object, display a user's current location on a map, link to and embed maps on a web page, display markers, titles, and informational windows on a Google map, get directions from one address to another, display text directions on a page, put a geofence around an address for delivery area, and detect if an address is within that delivery area. By the end of this course, you'll have gained a well-rounded knowledge of geolocation services and Google Maps to be able to incorporate mapping within your own web application. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with the basics of HTML, CSS, and the JavaScript language. I hope you'll join me on your journey to working with geolocation and Google Maps in my course, Working with Geolocation and HTML at Pluralsight.com.